Good morning everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, what is the today's date? What is the today's date? Let me write the date. Today's date 9. Yeah, so many people are asking this problem. So I will do this problem once, then we will go to our actual story. Let me solve this problem. Let me solve this problem one time. Then we will go to our problem, our actual problem. Right? Yeah. So let me write the today's date. This is assignment problem. Analyze the following C program and determine the output using static scoping. So date, let me write now, 9/4/26. 9/4/26. That is the date. Everyone try to understand. 9/4/26 is the date. So this program I am doing. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. So I'm starting 9/4/26. C program, static scoping. What is the answer? Right? So let's see. See this. So program execution will start from where? Main. Any global variables? Yes, AB. Any static variable? Yes. Let me execute now. See this. It is the static area. Global, local. Global is A10, B20. That is a global. Local, if you see, I think main function. In the main function, there is a. In the main function, there is a which is 10. Anywhere else static. Anywhere else static, no. Only one place static. Only one place static. Only one place static. Yeah, let's do both. Let's do anyhow. Doing both is better. So let's go to dynamic, right? Let's go to static scoping. So there is no static variable. Only one static variable in the main. I done it. Right now, I think everything is fine. Let's start from main. I'm starting from main. In the main first line completed. In the main second line, if you observe, extern int b, it is a local variable. So let's see. Stack you take. You take the stack. This much big stack not required also, but anyhow. So take the stack. So main push. Main push. In the main inside, if you observe, so a static variable, it is there in the a local variable which is there in the static area. See this. A local variable which is there in the static area. Be careful. And one more thing is B also local variable which is there, which is the external, that is also there in the static area. Right? Global variable. You will take the global. What is the meaning of external variable? Is a local only, but taking the memory of global. So it is a global E. Remember everyone? It is the external variable. B is a local variable, but external. It will take the global variable. Okay, fine. These two completed. Now see the print AB. So remember, wherever they are storing, same place I have to take. A local, right? A local static area. What is the answer? I think A local static area. Local area, go to the static area. Main function. So 10. B local external. I think 20. So 10, 20 will be printed. First static scoping answer. First 10, 20 will be printed. Okay, fine. Printf is over. Now C function is called. Let's go to C. In the C function, careful, in the C function, auto int A is equal to 10. Auto int A is equal to, auto is there, auto not there, in the local only. So A is a local variable, value 10. And one more extern int B, right? So remember, B is a local, but it is an external variable, means global variable. So this is the global variable, right? Extern int B. So is the local variable, B is the local, but external. It is there in the global area. Next one, print AB. So A10 will be printed. B, I think same, 10, 20 will be printed. This also completed. This also completed. Right? C function called. For that purpose only I am doing this much work. So printf is done. Now D function is called. Let's go to D. In the D function, first line, int A10. So A10. Okay. In the D function, int A10. Okay. Register int B is equal to 20. So that is also local variable, but it is there in the register. It is there in the register. Let me write now. It is a 20. B local, but it is there in the register. Right? That is also okay. So value is, I think, 20. B local, but it is there in the register. Value is 20. That is also fine. Now after completion of these two in the D function, printf AB. So A is going to be 10. A is going to be 10 printed. B is going to be 20 printed. They both are there in the same place. Okay, 10, 20, 10, 20, 3 times already done. So D function third line is completed. Now go to the E. Now go to the E function. In the E first line, extern int B is the local. So be careful. Extern int B. So B is a local, but is an extern variable. Means you will take global. That's okay. Now after completion of the E function first line, second line, print AB. So A is, I think, A is not defined here. A is not declared here. So A is I think a scope problem, free variable. So which one you will take? Static scoping, global variable it will take. Global variable is, I think, A, 10. So B also, I think, same, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, printed 4 times till now. Now I am in the E function. Remember, now I am in the E function. In the E function, printf is over. So now F is called. In the F int B. In the F int B. Let's check. F function is called. In the F function, int B. So B local, but int B, no initialization also. I think it is a garbage. It is a garbage. F function, if you observe, int B, right? It's a stack area, garbage by default. Print AB. I think again static scoping will come. A is going to be, right? I think not there. So static scoping, global variable 10, B garbage, 10 garbage. 10 garbage will be printed. Okay, fine. After printf is over, in the F function printf is over, A33, B44. Remember from where you are taken, right? Same where you have to change, 33, 44. So B I taken from here, 44. 33, I think no local, right? I think a global, 33 here. So in the F function, initialization also completed. So F is over. If F is over, let's go to E function. E function only you came to F. So F is completed. Now print AB. Now see this one. In the E function, local variable A not there. So global. B is a external variable, means it is taking the memory of global. I think both are global. Let's go to both global, print. So 3320 will be printed. 3320 will be printed. So in the E function, printing also over. In the E function, printing also completed. Second printf also over. Now A88, B99. I think these two are global only. 88, 99. This is 88. This is 99. So I think in the E function, both assignments are completed. Then E function is out. When our E function is out, let's go to D. In the D function, E completed. Now see the printf AB. Remember, A is a local variable. Okay. B is a register variable. So register means it is a local variable only, but speed purpose, one register you are using. So I think these two people are not changed anything. Let's go to D function. In the D function, 1020 is there. 1020 will be printed. So that is also completed. In the D function, sorry, let's go to D. In the D function, printf also completed. Afterwards, A 133, B 144. 133, 144, locals only will change. 133, 144, locals only will change. So in the D function, right, that storing also completed. Now you will go to D function is over, you will go to C. D function is over, you will go to C. In the C, D completed. Let's go to printf. Printf A comma B. If you observe clearly in the C function, printf A comma B, auto int A local, extern it is a global. So 10 will be printed. Global means 99 will be printed. Global means 99 will be there. So right, so local variable 10 will be printed for A. B local, but external variable means global variable memory. So 1099 will be printed. 1099 will be printed. After that printing is over, A3 B4. So A is I think going to be 3 here, B is going to be 4 here. 3 4. Now after completion of the C function, I will go to main. In the main, this is completed. Afterwards, A1. So remember in the main, A1, B2. What is the A? Static variable. This is. In the main, A static variable means this is A1. What is the B? What is the B? In the main, B is a local variable, but external means this. This is going to be 2. Right? This also completed. This also completed. Now again E called. Again E called. So let me take here E called. In the E function, go to the E now. In the E function, right, extern int B, right? Okay, B is a local taking the memory of global. So B is a local taking the memory of global. Okay, but in the E function, B is there, it's okay. Right, I think A is not there, print AB, static scoping. Global variable will be printed, but B also taking external variable global. So I think 88 to 88 to 88.2 will be printed. After 88.2 will be printed in the E. After printing is over, F called. Let's go to F also. Over almost. Go to the F also. In the F function, if you observe, int B local, there is int B local, there is no A. So I think one local, one person is global. One local, one person is global. So let's take once. In the B, because B is a local, but garbage. A is not there, so local. So A is going to be 88. 88 garbage. After completion of this printing, right? So A33, B44. A33, B44. B local, it will become 44. A become 33 is a local. So after completion of this printf, so F completed. Then go to E. In the E, right afterwards, you are printing. Print AB. So print AB. So A is not there, so static. A is not there, so static. B is a external variable. I think both are global variable. 33 to 33 to also printed. Right? So in the F function, second printf also over. A88, B99. I think both are global. 88, 99. 88, 99. So E function, all formalities are completed. So E also popped out. Then automatically you are in the main. Now print AB. A is I think is there in the globes, right? Static area, local things. So A is 1. So B is going to be extern. So global variable 199. 199. It's going to be 199. So that printing also completed in the main. Afterwards, return. So over. So this is the output. So total how many values? Total how many values? Let me check here. Let me check how many values total. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, 12 here. Yeah, so totally 12 values. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any objection. This program output. This is this program output. This program output is this static. This is the program output. Check one time. This is the program output. Static scoping, everyone done. So if anyone is not done, they can verify one time. If anyone is not done, they can verify one time. Static scoping, people are done. Static scoping, people are done. So answer is this. This is the answer for this. This is the answer for this. Let me know any objection. Can I go to dynamic scoping also? Can I go to dynamic scoping also, or you people can do it? Yeah, dynamic scoping also let me do one time dynamic scoping also let me do, because many people are asking. That is the reason I'm doing, otherwise I don't do. Many people are asking. Let's do dynamic scoping also. Static scoping answer already available. It is a static scoping answer. Static scoping answer already available. It is a static scoping answer. It is already available. I took one more copy. Let me do dynamic scoping. Let me do dynamic scoping also. This is for a dynamic scoping purpose. I took one more copy. One more copy I took, so I will try to do this. So whatever problems I faced in the previous one, so I will try to resolve here. I will try to resolve here. Stack I will write in between. In between I will write stack. So here I think I can go ahead here. Fine. Let's start. Start now. Here also I can write. Fine. So it's a static area. Global, local. It will take, I think, 5 more minutes. Listen one time. Local, global, because I got to know global is using a lot, right? So we'll see one by one. Static. It is a stack. It is a stack. So be careful. So I'm starting one by one. Make sure everyone listen. One by one. All right. Let's see this. Main function called main. And one more thing is there any, before starting, let's see any globals and static variables. I think in the main function, one local variable is there. That is A, which is 10. In the global, if you see one A is there, B also there. Two people are there. A there, B there in the main. A is 10, B is 20. 10, 20. 10, 20. I think everything is perfect. 10, 20. So let's start from main. Let's start from main. In the main, write everything properly, otherwise you will miss out. A is a local variable, but it's there in the static area. B is also local variable, but is external variable. Write properly. Otherwise, you will confuse. Otherwise, you will confuse. A local, but there in the static area. B also local, but it is the external variable. It is there in the global area. That is the meaning of that line. That is the meaning of that line. I think until now, these two are everything perfect. Now come to the main function. First line over, second line over. Print a percentage d a comma b. Print a percentage d a comma b. What is a? What is b? So what is a? Right? I think, see, if you observe clearly, both are there in the static areas. Both are there in the static areas. And one more thing is, see this one, static int a is equal to 10. So a 10 already there. Already there. Now one small question I want to ask you. In the previous problem, let's go there. Somewhere one printed a. How one printed? Is someone changed or what? Who changed this? This a value initially 10 is there. Who changed it? Here only he changed it. He only can change local variable. Na? He only can change. He only can change. Yeah, no issue. No issue. Right. So initially a is 10. Now let's say this one. Print a comma b. A comma b. A is local static area. So 10. B is local but external. Means this b 20. So output see this one. 10, 20 printed. So let me write dynamic scoping. Dynamic scoping 10, 20. Okay, fine. That is okay. So this is completed. So C function called. What is C? In the C function, right? Auto int a is equal to normal a 10. Extern. So b is a local, but it is the external variable. So these two completed. Print a comma b. Print a comma b. A 10. B I think global. So 10, 20 will be printed. So this also completed. Now D function called. Now D function is called. What is the D? Be careful everyone. D function I am writing. Go to the D now. In the D, if you observe, A local 10. Okay. B register. I think that is also local other than speed, which is 20. 10, 20. Perfect. Now print AB. 10, 20 will be printed. Print AB. 10, 20 will be printed again. But remember, I am there in the D function. D function, this is over, print also over. Now E function I will go. In the E function, can you help me? In the E function, extern int B local but extern. B local but extern. But A is not there. Remember, it is very, very important. In the E function, this is completed, but A is not there. Scope problem. Dynamic scoping. So we have to go to previous. Dynamic scoping, how to go to previous. B, I think I'm clear. I have to take global variable, but A is a local, right? Sorry, A is a scope problem, free variable. Dynamic scoping, you have to go to previous. What is the B global? There's nothing to do in that. B 20. So A not there here. Go to previous. A there here. A there here. So A will be 10. I will take. B will be global. I will take. So 10, 20. That is also fine. In the E function, printf completed. So F is called. Let's go to F. Almost we done it. Go to the F. In the F function, if you go int B, local variable B, which is garbage, you didn't kept anything. And one more thing is A not there. I think scope problem again. So you will go to previous, here also not there. You will go to previous, here there. So 10 will be here, garbage will be here. 10 garbage. A 10, B garbage. Right? I think in the F function, printing also completed. This is completed. But remember, 33, 44. From which place you are taken, that place you have to store. Always remember which place you taken AB. That place you have to store. 33, 44. Let me check. A 33. Here not there, I came here. Here not there, I came. A 33. B 44, B already there directly here, 44. Wherever you taken that place only change it. So I changed it. After completion of the F function, right? Let's go to E function. F function is over. Go to E function. E function where you are check. E function where you are check. Print a percentage d a comma b. Print a percentage d a comma b. So I think remember in the E function again printf. I think one person is global because of external b. One person is dynamic scoping. So previous. Let's go to previous. One is global confirm, right? B global confirm. What is the B 20? What is the A previous? Wherever you are, here not there here. So I think what is the answer? A 33. Right? So I think in the E function, second printf also over, I think. Next one, 88, 99. Remember, wherever you are printed, those things you have to change. A, I think A is the previous, right? Next one, B is going to be global only. B is going to be global only. Let's see. B global change. 88, 99. A, 88. Here not there, go to previous. Here, 88. Right, that is also completed. So in the E function, updates also you done. After completion of this, E cancel. After E cancellation, you will go to D function. In the D function, E completed. Printf A comma B. Remember A local, okay? B also local. Both are local. Nothing special. In the D, both are local. 88, 20. 88, 20. So in the D, right, printing also completed. Remember, both are local. Both will change to 133, 144. 133, 144. But anyhow, they are local. That's lifetime is over. That lifetime is over. A 133, B 144, lifetime over. Let's go to C function. In the C function, right? In the C function, D completed. Printf AB. Remember A local. Okay, no problem. B global variable because it's an external variable. A10 will be taken. Global variable 99 will be taken. So this also completed. Afterwards A3, B4. A local will change. B4 global will change. Afterwards C also popped out. So let's go to main. In the main, if you observe clearly, in the main, C completed. So A1, remember, in the main, if you observe A1, A local but static area. This is. Next one, if you see the B is 2. B is external variable. I think this is. Now E called. In the E, again you have to go to E. Be careful. This much bigger problem in the exam they don't give, for your checking purpose I given. So extern into B. B is local but global, right? External variable. B is local but external, okay? But A is not there. In the E function, A is not there. Because of dynamic scoping, you will take previous. Be careful. Right? Printf is there. Afterwards, F is there. Again, printf is there. 88, 99. So until now, B extern I done already. Print AB. Careful, everyone. I am at here. Print AB. B local but extern. This one I will take. Okay. But what about A? Is not here. Dynamic scoping. Go previous. Here they. A local, which is there in the static area. I think that is 1. So 1 will. After printing is over, what is the next one? I think F called. F function called. In the F function, what is the first line? See, after printing is over, F function is called. Int B local. B local, but by default garbage. By default garbage. If you want, you can check f function by default garbage. Okay. Print AB. Let's see. Print AB. B garbage only. But what is A? Not there. Go previous. Here what is A? Here also not A. Go previous. Here A there. I think same. It's a 1. That value is 1. Right? You came until here. A local static area. Right? Fine. I think after printing is over. After printing is over, remember A33, B44, where you taken printing purpose. You have to store there 33, 44. 33, 44, wherever you are, 33, 44. This became 44. From where you taken A value till now, you have to go and change this. This is 33. This is 33. So afterwards, F function completed. I think in the F function, only one printf. Yeah, F is completed. Let's go to E. In the E, F purpose you came, now printf. In the E function, you have to print. Be careful. Here, print AB. B local. B is a local but external variable, means it is a global variable. So whatever is there, print. What about A? Not there. So previous. Previous means main function local variable 33. So after that printing is over, in the E function after printing over, A88, 99. Remember, wherever you are taken, that place you have to store. Wherever you are taken, that place you have to store. Let's check. A88, B99. B99. So this will change to 99. A88. I think this person will change. 88, 99. This is 88. Right? So I think that is also done. After done, E cancel. E cancel. Let's go to main. In the main, E purpose you went. Now print AB. Be careful. A local, but in the static area. Right? Static area. I think 88. B local external. What the answer is? I think 99. 88, 99. So in the main function, printf also done. 88, 99. Right? So one is printed. A local in the static area 88. B local external 99. That will be printed after completion of this return. So this is the output. These are the outputs. Let's see. It is a number 1. It is a number 2. It is a number 3. It is a number 4. It is a number 5. It is a number 6. It is a number 7. It is a number 8. It is a number 9. It is a number 10. It is a number 11. Anything missing? Check. Anything missing? Check. Totally 12 values required. Where it is missing? Where it is missing? Somewhere it is missed out. Can verify where it is missed out? Totally 12 values required. Verify where it is went. In the E2 values, we printed or not? In the E2 values, we printed or not? In the E, when you print first time, what is printed? In the E, when you printed first time, B local external. B local external. E you came. So in the E, 2 people will be printed. In the F1 person. Right. Lastly, one more printf. Lastly, if you go to the main, lastly one printf. E called first 4 values are 10, 20, 10, 20. Oh, numbering I given wrong. One value missing. Yeah, nothing wrong happened. Numbering I given wrong. Yeah, perfect, perfect. It will happen sometime. I adjusted lack of space. Numbering I given wrong. I missed out one number. Thanks for informing. So let me write. It's a very bigger one, so it may not ask in the exam. For your convenience, I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, perfect. This is the 12. Thank God. Otherwise, we have to change again somewhere, maybe missed out. Yeah, perfect. This is the output. Ankit, you didn't count it properly. Yeah, maybe. Thanks for informing. This output. Everyone see one time. Nothing to here. Because if it's a bigger problem, you may be confused. Maybe I moved here and there. Upper coming, niche going. So this is the how. Because this much big program. This much big program. Right? On the single screen, not possible. One is private to main. What is one is private to main? What is private here, yaar? Bhaiya, private kya bhaiya? Bhaiya, after total Ramayana is over, is asking what is Sita. Total Ramayana is completed. This person is asking Ankit, what is the relation between Rama and Sita? Someone is saying, 8th one, please check. 8th one, please check. 8th one, how to check, bhaiya? 8th one, how to check? That time what happened? 8th one means from where it came. 8th one means from where it came. One is private to main. In step 10, how to get garbage? 10, 1 garbage. So I will try numbering here. Let's try this. So it is the first printf. Go to the C. It is the second printf. Go to the D. It is the third printf. Go to the E. It is the fourth printf. Go to the F. It is the fifth printf. Come back. It is the sixth printf. Come back. It is the seventh printf. Come back. Till now 7. So you came back here. It is the 8th printf. This is completed. Now after C, some changes are happened. Now E called again. Remember, until now 8 over. Now go to E. It is a 9th printf. It is a 10th printf. It is a 11th printf. Afterwards in the main, it is a 12th printf. These are the 12. This is how 12 printfs are happened. Now someone is asking 9th one. Let's go to 9th. Where is the 9th here? Right? Now see, when you come to 9th one, see here. Extern int B. 9th one. Be careful everyone here. Extern int B. So remember. So now until now, because of your 9th one you are talking, right? 9th one you came to E function means, see this one. In the stack, if you observe main there, in the stack main available. So on the main, from the main you called E. From the main you called E, right? So that is the reason you came to here. I am at E now. So extern int b, you will take global. You will take global. I think at that time global is, so ninth one we are talking, right? So int extern int b, at the time global may be 2. Whatever global is there, you take. So 2 at that time. At that time 2. So b is 2, that is okay. Ninth one b. But what about a? A not there. So you have to go to previous main here. Here you have to go. Ninth one. Someone is saying that which is dedicated for main. What is the meaning of dynamic scoping? Go to previous and change. No dedication, nothing. Are you getting? You are going previous and you are checking. Dynamic scoping. What is the meaning of dynamic scoping? Scope problem, go to previous. Fine. That is the meaning of static means direct, right? Static means directly go to global. Static means directly go to global. Dynamic means what? Go to previous. In the stack, go to previous. But processor, see, processor don't create, but you have to use the variable, right? Processor don't create, but it can use, right? We are not creating. Processor is not creating. It is using. If not found, see, I will check here. My variable is not there. I will check before. My variable not there. I will check before. My variable not there. I will check before. Like that I will go. Fine. These are the outputs. Just I will check. See, I don't have local. At least next person having local or not. At least next person having local or not. So like that I will check. Someone is saying step 10. Ask total again. Again one more round ask. Again one more round ask Bhaiya. Bhaiya ask one more round. Again slowly. Someone is saying number 9. Someone is saying number 10. Ask someone number 1 also. Someone ask number 1 also Bhaiya. So let's come here. Int b. Let's come here. Int b. Careful everyone. Int b. So int b means I think I'm talking about number 10. Be careful. When you come second time, int b, garbage created. So b garbage, 10 garbage. Int b means it's a right in the stack area, right? Right? Stack area, right? It's a stack area. You didn't initialize anything garbage. But what about a? A not there. What about a? I think this is going to be dynamic scoping, right? Previous. So I think you know very well, right? So f is here. This is the f. This is f here. So here not there. So you will go to previous. So previous person also not there. See, e also don't there. So you will come here. So you will take main function. What is the a that point of time? Main function that point of time, a value 1. So 1 will be taken. Because in the main, if you observe, now you are at here. Means a already 1, b2. So e function is called. So that is the reason 1 garbage will be printed. Bro, you got? Isaac bro is a very cunning fellow. Isaac is asking. Isaac Bhaiya is asking. Very cunning fellow. How is 10? Now he will ask now. How 3K? How 4K? He will cover everything. He will cover everything now. Anjali, you ask na, how 1 to 5 came? You ask how 1 to 5 came. Soham, you ask 6 to 10 how came? So like that, you ask so that one more round can be done. One more round can be done. You just ask like this. Yeah, can we go further? Or you want to dance here only? You want to dance here only? Let me know. You want to dance here only, or can we go to the next topic? Arey bro. Sir, step 1. Anjali, just go to 10th floor of the building. From the 10th floor, just do one small step. From 10th floor, go to 10th floor of the building, right? Do one small step and send the photo. Ankit saying, sir, do static scoping. So if you are there in the right 20th floor of the building, just come to me. Just I will push one time, problem solve. Ankit, we both will go to 20th floor. From the 20th floor, just I will do small push. Small push I will do. So static scoping, dynamic scoping, pora scope aa gaya, right? We both will go to 20th floor. Just I will push one time. All the scopes will come. F is equal to mg. What is F? I think he is dead. His brain is completely gone. Isaac brain is completely gone. He said F is equal to mg. His brain is completely gone. Isaac brain is completely gone. He is talking some physics. He is simply talking physics. It's gone. He became mad. After this problem, he became mad. If anyone say C programming is so easy, if anyone say C programming so easy, ask them, can you give output of this program? They don't talk to you further. If anyone say C programming is so easy, just give this problem. Can you let me know what the output? They don't talk to you further. Trust me, they may give police complaint also. They may give police complaint also. Minimum you will get a 5 years jail guarantee. If anyone says C programming so easy, please give this problem and ask them, please can you give answer for this? Then they will try few minutes. They got to know something wrong with you. They may give police complaint. Police people also will see they got to know something wrong with this person who is given this problem. You will minimum you will get 5 years jail. Minimum 5 years. So if anyone say I am so good in C programming, you just keep quiet. You just keep quiet, because otherwise it will go to until police complaint. Until police station you have to go. Why you want to roam for C programming purpose? Why you want to go to jail? I request you, if anyone say C programming, I know, control yourself. Control yourself. Don't fight. Giving this one, afterwards he will cry, right? You will go to police station. Unnecessary debate we don't want. So can we move to next story? This is the some people are asking, sir, how to revise? If you think that, okay, sir, you said use GPT, that shitty GPT caused 3 to 4 hours wastage, and told me we cannot use personal global even in dynamic scoping. So because see, they didn't trained properly, right? It will give, right, some most of the things which are used by people. Dynamic scoping, you may not get any that much. Dynamic scoping GPT may not, because most of the programming languages follow static scoping. Most of the programming languages follow static scoping. It may not help. 50-50. I said to you 50-50. 50-50. Okay. Some redundant work is there. When some work is keep on repeating, GPT may be useful. Yeah, he will manipulate also. That is a problem with when you don't know, he will manipulate. So we can use it. If any advantage there, we can use it. Every time he cannot help. Every time he cannot help. ChatGPT cannot help every time, right? Sometimes he will help 50% time. My observation is, I thought 50% is also not possible, but 50% looks, it is promising, right? Maybe it will grow slowly. They have to train again and again. Dynamic scoping, no one will train. The reason is most of the languages follow static scoping. Most of the languages follow static scoping. Okay, fine. We can move it. We can move to the next line. It is very difficult to verify also. Dynamic scoping verification also very difficult because you may not find out at anywhere. Yeah, I think we can move to the next story. Let's move. Let's move, bro. Let's move. I think this is the place where we stopped yesterday. Yeah, he will tell, but we have to utilize properly. But it will give 50-50. Don't say he never tell. Don't say that. Very difficult questions if you ask. ChatGPT cannot. ChatGPT cannot. If you ask very difficult questions, he will give 50-50 sometimes, maybe less than 50 also. Anyhow, let's discuss here. Question number 9. Is it the last problem we stopped? Is it the last problem? Where is that coder guy? Where is that coder guy? Where is that coder guy, yaar? I think it is the last problem we done. It is the last problem. This is the last problem. Where is that coder guy, yaar? Where is that coder guy? He asking yesterday so many big questions. This is the problem with the people here. One time they will come, they will talk big lines. One time they will come, they will talk big lines. Kya bhaiya kya yaar? Bhaiya kya yaar? This coder guy one time coming saying dangling pointer. One time coming here, one time coming dangling pointer. How can you talk like this, coder bhaiya? Coder bhaiya one time coming saying dangling pointer. Just 1 minute. I'm going to the problems. I think we came very close. Let's see that problem also. We came very close. One interesting problem is coming. Yeah, please go ahead. Very interesting problem it is. It's a very interesting problem. So I'm going now. Problem number 11. Careful everyone. Problem number 11. Be careful. It's a very nice problem. Try as much as possible. From your side. Int x, void q, int z plus is equal to x, printf z, next one, void p, int star y, int x is equal to star y plus 2, q of x, star y is equal to x minus 1, printf x. It's a very cunning problem. Be careful. It's a very cunning problem. It is like Isaac. Be careful. Where is Soham? Soham, where are you? Soham, where are you? Where is Ella? Ella, where are you? You all people are following some pattern. One day we both don't come, right? Other people all will come. Another day we don't come. So some shift is going on. Some, I think, pre-planned story going on. Pre-planned. One day two people miss. Next day two more people will miss. Next day two more. Some pattern is going on here. Some pattern is going on here. What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? If I ask Soham, why you didn't came? I came. She will say, I came. I came with a different name. Oh. So Ella, why you didn't came? I came. My name is changed. I came. My name is changed. Some gambling is going on. Some gambling. God is seeing everything from top. Soham present. Soham saying that I am present, sir. Ella will say that I came. I came. So God is seeing everyone. Isaac, remember, God is seeing from top, man. God is observing everything from top. Everything he will observe from top. How you all people cheated Reddy, sir. How you all people cheated Reddy, sir. He is seeing from top. God is seeing from top. My madam is saying God is sleeping. Arey, God, I think we all woke up. God also woke up. I think God, it's early morning, right? God also woke up. Can you complete this? It's a very, very dangerous problem. It's a very dangerous problem. Can you try this? It's a very dangerous problem. Make it fast. If you can give answer for this problem, you are okay. What is the output of this C program? Go ahead. Everyone try. Little doubt also there, I will clarify. Everyone try. Trying is the thing what human can do. More you try, you will become more smart. But don't by heart. More you try, you will become more smart. It is a very, 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 very difficult problem. Someone is saying 765. Be careful, Ankit, please try again. In the GATE examination, problems are not big. In the GATE exam, problems are not big. They are tricky. Problems are tricky. Problems are tricky. I feel 765 may be wrong. Please verify. Try everyone. Yeah, let me try the answer. I'm trying. Everyone listen. I'm trying this. Very interesting problem. I'm trying. Can you see this? Can you see this one time? See this. Any global is there? I will take. Any static? No. Static not there. Only global. Only global variable is there. X. Because of can you help me now? Global variable will store in the static area by default 0. I hope everyone will agree. I hope everyone will agree. Right? Global variable will store in the static area by default 0. By default 0. That is also okay. So I think it is static. Okay. So till now, I think no one is having objection. Till now, no one having any objection. And the options also I'm giving. If anyone want options, options also giving. Option A. I have options. I can give options also. Option A, 1276. Option B, 766. Option C, 22, 12, 11. Option D, 1466. 1466. 1276, 766, 22, 12, 11, 1466. These are the options, right? Let's see. Let's see what will be the answer. What will be the answer? We'll see now. We'll see now. Everyone observe. So that is the thing. And now let's go to the execution from main. Be careful. Be careful. I'm starting from main. So when you start from main, x is equal to 5. Everyone observe. X is equal to 5. Everyone observe. X is equal to 5. Printf ampersand x, printf x. Right now, see, x is equal to 5 because of x is not defined here. Scope problem. X is equal to 5 because of it is not defined. Scope problem. I think if no local, global only. So this only will change. X value 5, global will change. Let me know if I am doing anything wrong. Let me know if I am doing anything wrong. Right? See, here declaration is there. Here no declaration. So here also declaration. One global declaration is there, one local. I think here no declaration. It's going to be a scope problem, static scoping global variable. So I think first line is completed. Let's go to second line. This one, let's go to second line. And one more thing is here, address also required. Let me write address also. Let me write address also. X initially 0, address is 1000. Now it became 5, x value 5. Now P of ampersand x address is going to be 1000. 1000 will go. Where it will go? P. Remember, address will be received by pointer variable only. 1000 is coming. 1000 is coming. So 1000 address is coming, received by pointer variable. One local variable y created, address is 2000, inside 1000 will store. Right, let's go inside. First one, int x is equal to star y plus 2. Int x is equal to star y plus 2. Understand one thing. Here int x also there, one local variable x. Address is 3000. Inside, right? Because of you are not kept anything. Whatever you keep, it will take. As of now, maybe. As of now, right? Maybe I think not required. So let me do this first. This will be done first. One more thing I want to say to you. Variable means inside. It is 1000. Yesterday also I said many times. I said you go to the website. You go to the website. See the priority list. Right? See, to this variable y, two people are fighting. Star is saying y mine. Plus is saying y mine. Neighbors are fighting to take the y. Whoever having more power, they will take. Everyone know star highest priority. Star is there maybe in the second row. Dereference operator plus there may be fourth row. Please verify. So star having highest priority. Y 1000, star 1000. The value inside 1000. 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 will goes to x. This is 7 now. First line over. Can you see the second line? Q of x. X value 7. 7 will go. How it will go? So like this. 7 is k. Now int z. Z created. Address may be 4000. 7 is stored inside. Now see this one. Z plus is equal to x. One more important thing. Here also x not there. Scope problem, static scoping, global variable. This is right. So x value is now 5. So 5 plus z value 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So z became 12 now. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. So z becomes 12. Print z. Print z. 12 will be printed. 12 will be printed. Wherever 12 first over. Wherever 12 first. Most probably that is the answer. Right? But anyhow, safe side. Right? Anyhow, safe side. We'll do one time. So I think this is completed. This is completed. So Q function is over. From which place you came, same place go back. That is the meaning of, right? That is the meaning of function over. See, whenever function over, from which place you came, that place you have to go. That is the meaning of pop operation. Push means one step, right? Push means you will push it. Whenever function over, you popped it. You came here. So first line over, second line over. Can you see the third line? Very, very interesting. Can you see the third line? X minus 1. It is not a x minus minus. X minus 1. These are small mistake. What people will do? X is 7. See this one. 7 minus 1. 6. Remember x not updating. X not updating. Remember. X value 7. 7 minus 1. 6. X not updating. It's a small games. These are tricks. X value 7. 7 minus 1. 6. Where it will go? Star y. What is the y? Variable means inside. Y is 1000. What is star 1000? The value inside 1000 is. This is going to be 6. So from here, he changed that global variable because you have address. Let's see the fourth line. Printf x. Printf x. Remember what is the x value here? See, no updation here. No updation here. X value 7. If anyone do 6, maybe one option will match. So remember everyone, printf x, 7 will be printed. 7 will be printed. So this also completed. Whenever you say this function is over, from which place you came, that place you will go. That is the meaning of pop. Because of calling push, because of over pop, you came back. Right? I think second line over. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? Printf x. See, no local variable x. That x means global variable because static scoping. So 6. 6 will be printed. So main program also over, it is popped out. So it's going to be 12, 7, 6. Maybe some small mistake, if anyone done, please can you rectify. These are the tricks of the GATE exam. You don't need to feel bad. More practice you will do, you will become a more smart person. More smart person. Whatever mistakes I am doing, whatever mistakes I done last year, I am not doing now. Whatever mistakes I done before that year, I am not doing now. Right? Year to year, I am becoming smart. You should also. This is how human nature is. This is how humans are created. You should be smart. Problem to problem, you should smart. You should be smart. Problem to problem. Yesterday, Ankit asked me, sir, dynamic scoping, I am getting some issue. So through experience, my brain is saying, instead of saying to one person, let's say to all. Previously, I used to say one person directly. One person directly. First, I want to know what problems are coming. So if I got to know problem, previously I used to do individual, now I used to do combine. I said, okay, you are facing problem. I think most probably many people may face the same problem. Let's do one time. So I done in the classroom. So if you do more problem, you will become more smart. If you don't do any problem, remember, only completing syllabus. You don't do any problem. You are not smart. Maybe you have some raw data, you don't know how to process. When you solve more problem, you will get the more clarity. More clarity you will get. If anyone post anything, if you think you are already completed the syllabus of that part, please try to solve it. You will also become smart. More you solve, more smart you are. More questions you solve, more questions you post, you will become a very smart person. Yeah. Can we move to next problem? Let me know. Can we move to next problem? Check once. Can we move to next problem? Can we move? One more dangerous problem is there. One more dangerous problem is that, yeah, it will take few minutes. It will be useful to many students because I have to inform to them. It will be very useful to many students also, right? So give me 2 minutes. I will finish it off. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, these are our rankers of GATE 2026. GATE 2026. These are our rankers. I wish you will also be there here. I wish you will also be there. You will also be there in this list. Next year, this time I want to see you. Many ranks we got. EPT got many ranks, almost like 150 plus rankers we got. And any one of you, if you like EPT classes, if any one of your classmate or want to join, you can refer. You have one code, you can refer. You will get the 20% cash back. You can utilize it. And right, the people, right, new batch is starting. One more new batch is starting next Monday onwards. New batch starting, right? 40% off going on. You can utilize. This is the code. You can use this code. 40% offer is going on. You can use it. So you can use whatever courses you want. You can go to combo course where everything you will get. 1 year combo course or 2 year combo course. You can go, right? You can go to combo RIC. Only regular you can take. Something you don't get. Only foundation you can take. Something you don't get. Only test series. Only mentorship. Only GATE plus PSU course. Whatever you want, you can select. Mentorship is there every Saturday. Mentorship is there. So please don't miss it, because there we are going to track you and we will see where you are going wrong. So please, I request everyone, please join the mentorship session Saturday without missing. Otherwise you may cry at the end. When you suddenly nothing will happen. It is a 1 year very good work. 1 year if you do very good work, finally you will get the very good output. Right. So these are the free resources you can utilize. As soon as you complete any subject, right, you go to the website, verified questions are there. For every subject, approximately 300 good questions are there. For every subject, approximately 300, sometimes 500 also there. Please do all the problems one by one. Please do all the problems one by one. In the website, right, in the website, if you go to free resources, you will find out. 6,000 verified questions are there. For every subject, 300 questions are there. You can practice. Right? AIR1 handwritten notes also there. Doubt solving group. If anyone not joined, please join. Previous year questions also there in the website. Please check. Right? So you will get the live classes and recorded classes both, only in English. Right? Live classes, recorded classes only in English will be there. So quizzes, doubt solving, all the things which are required available with. These are our previous rankers. We almost crossed the previous rankers also. More ranks we got 2026. These are the people who placed in the placements. Right. So DSA Super 50 batch is started. Already 4 classes are over. Right. So those people who are practicing, those people who are preparing for campus placement, this course is going to be really useful. Today may be 5th class. 4 classes are already done. Now come to this problem. It is also going to be tricky. Let's see this. Example, I think 12. I don't know. What is the number? I will check once again. I may change it if required. So right now, example 12. It is going to be very interesting problem. Void F1 int A, comma, int B, int A, comma, int B, int C is equal to A is equal to B is equal to C, void F2 int star A, int B, int C is equal to star A, star A is equal to star B, star B is equal to C. Go to the main. Main int A is equal to 4. B is equal to 5. C is equal to 6. F1 A comma B, F2 ampersand B, ampersand C. Printf percentage D C minus A minus B. Return 0. End of this. End of this. Return 0. So because of your return 0 int, you are returning integer. You are not returning anything here, so void. You are also not returning anything here, so void. And one more thing is no global variables also. Can you go ahead? It is also a nice problem. Can you try this? Right. Sure. I will try. I will try code guy. I will try. Yeah. So this is the problem. Can you try this? It's a very interesting problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's try how many people will give answer. No global variable, nothing. Everyone try. It is also a very good problem. Day to day, you are becoming more smart in the pointers. Right? Just read the notes. Plus PYQs you do. You will get the full marks. Whatever I am saying, just read properly. Properly you read it without by hearting. Then see the PYQs, mostly you are going to crack GATE exam so nicely. Similar thing you do for every subject. Every subject do similar thing. Try this. I will do. First you try. I will do now. Right? But before that, please can you try few minutes from your side. Today is the dangerous day because all dangerous problems only coming. Today's class starting itself danger, one dangerous problem followed by one more danger. I think today's class is a combination of dangerous problems. It is combination of all dangerous problems. Yeah, try this. So yeah, let me start now. I think maybe you got some answer. Let me start now. Before compiling, when I compile this program, I think no global, no static. I think directly you can go for running. Let's go for running. First line. First line into A, B, C. I think 3 people. A4, B5, C6. I request all the people I request, whoever want to prepare GATE examination, for all of them, can you send this one? Whoever knows to you, if anyone is preparing for GATE, or if anyone belongs to CSE people, you can send to them. It will be really useful. To them, it is really useful. So the first one is A4, B5, C6, 1000, 2000, 3000. Everything is perfect. I hope no problem at all. Can you see the second one? F1 AB. F1 AB. Remember, variable going means inside going. A4 going, B5 going, 4, 5 going. So where they are going? F1. It is 4, it is 5. Let me write now. A4 here. Declaration means again creating memory. B5 here. Address already 3000 over. Let me go for 4000. You can give whatever address you want, but don't repeat the address. Address purpose is unique. Int C, memory created. It is 6000. So I think A4, B5, C, you are not given anything, garbage as of now. Now next one, C is equal to A. C is equal to A. What is the A4? So garbage replaced by 4. A is equal to B. What is the A4? 4 by 5. Next one, B is equal to C. B replaced by C. So 4. So please do properly. After completion of this work, interesting answer. Very interesting thing I want to say to you. You listen. You came from main to here. Main to this function you came. It is also one more trick. It is a one trick wasting time. It is a one trick wasting time. Understand here. From the main, you came to F1 function. But interesting thing is, you didn't came with the address. You came with the data. So because of you came with the data, definitely you cannot change them. Because you didn't came with the address. You came with the data. So when you came with the data at here, you cannot change them. Because they are not global also. They are not global, they are local. From here, how local variable you change? It is not dynamic scoping also to change previous. It's a normal C program. By default, if at all any scope problem, static scoping. Right? Static scoping. So that is the reason. So what I mean to say is, see this one. Second line, you are sending data. You came here. Interesting thing is, from here, anyhow, you cannot change any global. It is any local of main you cannot change. But interesting thing at this place no printf also. Means no need to execute. To be frank, no need to execute. In exam, if you get idea, you are going to the F1 function, you are not passing address also. I think in the F1 function no printf also, no need to execute. There is no way you will change the main. Because it is a static scoping. Even though if at all scope problem, you will go to global. Global is not there. Then you will get the error. So it's a wasting time only. You wasted time. No printf. If printf is there, I could have done. And inside the F1 function, if you are using any global, then also I could have done, because global may change. Other people will use afterwards, printing and all. They may affect. So no global also. All locals, some shit is going on. Inside F1 function, some shit going on. Shit function. This is wasting time. If you are smart, right, when you are doing more problem, you got to know, oh, F1 you are going. You are not passing address also. Inside F1, all are locals only, keep on doing shit work. A taking B value, B taking C value, C taking A value. Some nonsense is going on. But anyhow, at the end of the F1 function, no effect, control came back. No effect, control came back. So second line is over. Wasting time, nothing there. Go to the 3. But remember, you are sending address, right? So F2 function, you are sending address. I think ampersand B address, 2000 going. Ampersand C address, 3000 going. So 2000 taken by first person, 3000 taken by second person. Remember, because a pointer, right? Address came stored by pointer. So A internally contain 2000. B internally contain 3000. Addresses of all, if you observe 6000 over, it may be 7000. It may be 8,000. Some people are asking, sir, this function called and it is over also. Local variables are gone. Can I use the same memory again? Yes, if you want, you can utilize, because they are anyhow gone. This function popped out, means all local variables are gone. Those memory locations are now available. If you want, you can reuse. It is up to you. But at a time, right? At a time, same memory don't give to two people. But it is over means you can use. Okay, come here. F2 function you came. Right? See this one. First one, int C. C also memory created. Address may be 9,000. As of now, C is garbage. As of now, C is garbage. Okay, fine. Till now, okay. Can you help me now? A is 2,000. Star 2,000. The value inside 2,005. 5 will goes to C. Next one, star B. What is the B? 3,000. Star 3,000. The value inside 3,006 will goes to star A. What is the A? 2,000. Star 2,000. The value inside 2,000. The value inside, see this one, 6 will goes to inside 2,000 here. See, from here he is changing those. From here he is changing those. This is the meaning of confidence. He will verify your confidence. You will verify your confidence. The people who will go to IIT, I really like them. Those people who will crack GATE exam, I really like them because there is some quality. Confidence is the one of the major thing. So confidently they will do. Otherwise, 150 crore people, only 1,000 people can go to IIT. Until unless you have some very different story from your side, you cannot go there. Weak people cannot go there. See, I am also weak in my own way. You are also weak in your own way. But you have to rectify that. If someone went to top place, there is some reason. All weak things, they manage it properly. They suppress all weak things. You have weakness, I have weakness. Who don't have weakness? Even God also having weakness. I feel God also having weakness. Something God also cannot control. Otherwise, how sometimes in the summer, how rain will come? In the summer, how rain will come? In the winter, sometimes how hot will come? Sometimes in the raining season, no rain is there. So means God, what God want to say that even I also having weakness. Sometimes I cannot do. You also, me also, everyone. So I want to request every person I want to request. Here no one is there who is 100% gold. No one is there. You have weakness, I have weakness and all. Suppress all weakness. You want go to IIT or you want to achieve something great in life, right? Just forget about all the negative things. Don't think I don't have this, I don't have that, this is my issue, that is my issue. It is not. Just remove the negative part. Only positive part think about. If anything wrong going, unknowingly rectify it. So see this one, from this he can modify here itself. He send the address from here to here. He sent the address from main to here. Using that address, he changing there side by side. You could have changed it directly. You want to check. Are you confident? Now come here now. Star B is equal to C. What is the C? Local variable. I think 5. Star B. What is the B? 3,000. Star 3,000. The value inside 3,000. The value inside 3,000. See, this is replaced by 5. See how games he done. So he kept this value to here, this value to here. He done almost done swap. 6 become 5, 5 become. He could have done there only. He's not done. But anyhow, this is also completed. Fine. Now come, I think this is over. Control will go back. Whatever way it came, same way it will go back. So it came like this. It go back. Okay. Now see the fourth line. Printf %d c minus a minus b. Maybe here you may do small mistake. I don't know. Let's check. So remember everyone, 2 minus. For a purpose, 2 minus people are fighting. Left minus saying that come a with me. Right minus saying that a come with me. If at all, right person saying right person saying a come with me. If you go, a minus b will be done first. Left person saying a come with me, so then c minus a will be done, which will be done. So this is remember left person, right person, both are fighting. Unfortunately, both are same priority same. Then go for associativity. See the table and check. I will show to you one more time. I will show to you. Go to the website. Okay. In the website, go to the table. So it will be useful. I am showing to you path also. It will be useful to you. So let me show. Yeah, go to the 73 or 74. That is the reason I kept inside this, so that whenever you want, you can check. So please see this minus 2 minus. Remember, where is the minus? Here. Fourth row minus is there. Fourth row minus is there plus. So first, this is the highest priority. This particular table is from standard book. From standard book, this table is there. So this is the highest priority, right? Brackets are highest. Next highest is going to be plus plus operator, minus minus operator, plus plus unary operator, a plus plus, b minus minus unary operator, and one more, not also highest if you use at anywhere. And one more, unary minus. These are not binary minus. These are not binary plus, unary minus. When our requirement is there, I will show that also. This is the dereference operator. Dereference operator. So these are highest priority. Next one, multiplication, right? Multiplication, division, modulo operator. This is the third priority. Plus minus is the fourth priority. Remember, plus and minus both are having same priority. Same row means same priority. Plus, suppose plus minus both are fighting same priority. Next one, this bracket both are fighting same priority. Same priority. Some people are asking, sir, this bracket both are there. You are saying same priority. Which one I have to take? Same priority people fighting. Then you have to go for associativity. Left to right. Left person should be done. Left person should be done. If two people are fighting of equal, fighting means neighbors only. Remember, for one person purpose, left person fighting right person. Whom I have to take? Whichever highest priority. Suppose if priority is same, what should I do? Associativity. Can I help you? Minus. Left also minus there in our expression, right also minus there. Two equal people are fighting. Where should I do? So left to right say. Remember, most of the people are left to right only. See the table. Whenever priority same, most of the time left person do first. Very less people will go to right. Who is that? See this one. See this one. Plus plus operator fighting. 2 plus plus operator fighting, or 2 minus minus operator fighting, or plus plus minus minus fighting. Then remember, just remember this only. Right to left is whoever right to left. Those only remember. And one more assignment also right to left. If so many assignments are there, which assignment? Right person should be done. Right, this one column, right? It is a ternary operator. This is also right to left. Very less people are right to left. All are left. If you are confused, you don't know which one you have to. Priority same, you don't know which one confused. Mostly left to right. Mostly left to right. Suppose, see this one, less than, greater than, both are fighting. Which one? Less than, greater than, both are same priority. Then which one should be done? Left to right. Whoever is there left hand side in the expression, do that first. Some people are asking, expression left hand side means what is the meaning, sir? Means he came first. Because expression is like this. Expression is like this. So see this one. Every time expression will start from left side only. Right? You are doing left to right means what? Whoever came first to do that. Left means first to. Right means last. Sometimes, even though you came late, you have to do first. Sometimes you came late. In the expression, you came late, but you have to do first. That is called right to left associativity. Right? So if you see that last time, I want to ask you, 2 minus fighting, left to right. 2 plus fighting, left to right. Plus minus fighting, left to right. Next one, some people are asking, 2 multiplications are fighting, left to right. 2 divisions are fighting, left to right. Multiplication, division fighting, left to right. Most of the things are left to right. Right? However, some people are right to left. Those people remember. Don't by heart blindly. Meaningfully you do. Instead of by hearting these many, right to left who are. Remember, associativity will come into the picture when our priority is same. Suppose, see, third row person, fourth row person fighting. Third row person is winner. Priority more. First row person, second row person fighting. First row person is winner because priority more. Suppose in the same row, 2 people are fighting. Priority same, then associativity you have to go. Now let's move to our problem. Let's move to our problem. Right? See this. 2 minus fighting. What is the answer? So both are same priority, left to right. What is meaning of left to? Who came first, he will be done. This will be done first. Can you help now? As of now, in this box, what is C? 5. What is A? 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus B. What is the B? 6. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Minus 5 will be printed. Fifth one written. I hope everyone got it. Minus 7. Minus 5. Let me know if anything wrong I done. Someone is saying int star B. Someone is saying that in F2 int star B. Int star B. Thanks for informing. Thanks for informing. Otherwise, error message will come. You are right. You are right. Answer is finally minus B. 5 minus A. So C is 5 now. 5 minus 4, which is 1. Next one. 1 minus, what is the B? 6. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Answer is minus 5. Will you agree? Answer is minus 5. Will you agree? Hello? Hello? Will you agree? Answer is minus 5. Are you fine now? I think code guy already given minus 5 answer. Are you okay now? And some people are asking, sir, this is the example for what? I want to say to you, this is the example for, see this one. You are calling a function by passing value. You are calling a function by passing a value. This is called call by value. Call by value. You are calling function by passing value. This is called call by value. You are passing address. Sorry, you are calling function by passing address. This is called call by reference. This is called call by reference. You are calling function by passing address. That is called call by reference. You are calling function by passing value, call by value. Remember, in the call by value, originals will not affect. In the call by reference, originals will affect. See, because of this function only, you are able to change the originals. Call by value, originals will not affect. Call by reference, originals will affect. So at any point of time, if you don't want to change originals, please pass values. You are calling function. You are calling some function. You are passing some parameter. You don't want to change originals, then send values. You want to change the originals, you send the address. If you send the address, using that address, F2 person can change it. Call by value, originals will not affect. Call by reference, originals will affect. You don't want to harm to originals, call by value. You want to change or you may want to affect the originals, then send by call by reference. You want middle. One person you send by call by value, one person you send by call by reference. Reference means address. Mixed you can send. If you want mixed thing, then send one by value, one by address. You want pure, no effect at all, call by value. This is the example for call by value, call by reference. Can we move further? This is the example for call by value, call by reference. Call by value, values are going. Call by reference, addresses are going. Addresses are going. Using those addresses, originals can affect. Okay? Bro, okay? Answer is minus 5. Answer is minus 5. Is it okay? अरे बोल दो यार, बोलो. Yeah, now it's a 7:59. So starting, I think 15 minutes or 20 minutes wasting. We have to optimize that also. I request everyone, please come correct time. Do dharna. Come 6 o'clock and do dharna. 6 o'clock, come and do dharna. Right. In the next class, after pointers over, we will give the pointers assignment also. Pointers are over. On the pointers, we can give some assignments. right? Pointers over, we will give, right, some assignment on the pointers. Fine. So whatever over, please verify. Don't by heart anything. Whatever over, please verify. Right. Thank you. Early morning 3 hours. Early morning 3 hours. This boy, crazy boy. Some people maybe have to go to job. Chalo. Thanks everyone. Thank you everyone. Thank you. See you in the next class.